So here we have a problem that we're looking for the value of x in a proportion problem, and it's set up with these colons and double colons. And so the way I like to set this up is to first write it in a fraction form, and write it into a proportion form with an equal sign. So that's like you put the first thing, the 1 over 5, on the top, and then the second thing on the bottom. The double colon, you put an equal sign, and then the first thing you put on the top, and the second thing you put on the bottom. But this makes the form kind of awkward because we have a fraction within a fraction. So what I like to do for these types of problems is to first simplify the fraction into a decimal. So if we take our calculator and we do 1 divided by 5, I get that to be 0.2. So we can replace 0.2 with 1 over 5, or replace 1 over 5 with 0.2. And then same thing with 1 over 20. 1 divided by 20 in the calculator is 0.05. And we'll just leave the 3 on the bottom the same. So this is our new proportion. And if we want to solve this for x, we can first use like the cross multiplication strategy. So we'll multiply the bottom of one side by the top of the other on both sides. So that'll make 0.2 times 3. We'll do the 3 times the 0.2, and that makes 0.6. And then we'll multiply the x by the 0.05, and that makes 0.05x. Okay, and from here, we just need to get the x by itself. The x is currently multiplied by the 0.05, so if we move it to the other side, we need to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So we can divide both sides by 0.05. Which cancels out the 0.05 with the x, so it leaves just x on the right side. And if we grab our calculator, 0.6 divided by 0.05 is 12. So the value of x in this problem is 12. So there we go. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to leave those in the comments or to send me an email in the email address listed in the description below. Thanks for watching.